Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited to show you guys a order that I just received that I purchased from a company that's in here. Do you guys want to know what this is all about and what I bought? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So if you did not see my Oceanista spring unboxing, I will link it down below. Definitely check out that video. Oceanista is my all-time favorite seasonal subscription box. If anybody would ask me, hey, do you have a suggestion on a seasonal box? Oceanista. I would say Oceanista over any other seasonal subscription box that I have tried, that I have seen, or that I get. Oceanista is all beach themed. So if you love the beach, you love the water, you love beach decor, anything to do with the beach, the water, the blues, then Oceanista might be for you. So definitely check out that video if you haven't done so. Check out the subscription if you would like. I love my Oceanista box. I'm actually wearing one of the shirts that I got in my spring box. Now in that unboxing, I was over the moon excited about the coasters that were in there. Okay, I'll get to the bag in a second, even though that looks gorgeous, but you guys, are these coasters? These are coasters. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, holy moly. Okay, this is beautiful. And I even put a clip in that video showing you guys where I put them. I didn't use them as coasters, and I found out after filming, and I said in that video though, that they can be used even as pot holders. You can use them as spoon rests. You can use them as anything, not just coasters, because they go up to, I think, was it 450 degrees or something? I say it in that video. So they could be used as like a pot holder or anything like that. They didn't have to be used for coasters. So I put them in our bathroom and I use them like as decorative art pieces sitting there. I'm not using them as coasters. And while I was showing you guys, I mentioned that I was in communication with the owner. That's what this order is here. And she is super, super sweet, by the way. And even if you have anything, she does custom orders, or she has ready to go products available on her store, which I will link down below as well with her Instagram. All of that for Oceanista and for this company, everything will be linked in the description box. You can check them out. So I was talking back and forth with the owner for a little bit. She, like I said, she was super, super sweet and so willing to help me with anything that I wanted. So I basically wanted 3 different pictures to replace the ones that are in the bathroom. And then I added a few other things. And then right before she shipped it, I even added something else because she had some new items. So I did ask her if I could pass down my Oceanista code to you guys if you were interested in purchasing anything, and she said more than welcome, I'm able to do that. So I busted out my Oceanista spring pamphlet, and I believe it's code Oceanista. Yes, you can use code Oceanista, all caps, OCEANISTA, and you can use that to save, I believe it's 10% off. And so see right in the middle, those are the coasters. And then there's a few other examples of things that she does make. And again, I will have her Instagram down below. You can actually see there are some videos on her Instagram showing how she actually creates these, which is amazing. So that is what is in here. That is what just arrived. And in that video, when I did say that I was ordering some things, a few of you guys said, hey, let me know what you got. Please show us what you got, that kind of thing. So what other way to do this is to do it in a video to show you guys. So I'm gonna unbox my order, show you guys what I purchased, and then I will hang them on my wall and show you what it looks like after it's hung, so you can see them on my wall as well. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. So let's just go ahead and dive in here. It's very well packaged. There's bubble wrap, there's other paper and everything. So everything is very well packaged. So hopefully everything arrived all intact. So let's go ahead and start diving in. Oh my gosh. It's so much bigger than the coasters. Oh, it's upside down. Look at this, you guys. That is gorgeous. And I love that this is like in layers. Like you can, these are literally like layers, like the water is folding on each other. Like you're not probably going to be able to see, but those are, that's like layers. That is so neat. Again, I don't think you're gonna be able to see that, but they are layers. That is so cool. And there's little sparkles in there. And of course, this teal blue is just stunning. Okay, so here's one. There's 3 of them. So here's one. Here's 2. So here are 2 different ones. And then there's one more, you guys. And then there's a few other items. Okay, so now that that is all out of the way, so here we go. And this has the steps as well. So you have like this piece here is like one layer that goes this way, and then you have this one that's like a second layer that's underneath. So it's like this one folded over. So there's like 1, 2, 3 little steps. That's so neat. And there's glitter all in there. I don't think there's glitter in the coasters. I don't recall there being glitter in the coasters. I wanted these to match the coasters. I mean, they're gonna be on 2 different walls. One's gonna be like on this wall, one's on this wall. So they're not gonna be like right on each other. But oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Look at that. And this is all done with like paint. And I don't know if it's like a heat gun or what, but it is all like in paint layers. She's like a little mastermind crafted, like, I have no clue. She gets down and dirty on these and they are amazing. So there's 3. Let me try to hold all 3 of them up for you. So they're not all going to be exactly the same because each one is handmade. And there we go. So here is all of them, you guys. Could you see them all? Yeah. I know my lights. So I don't know how I'm going to position them on my wall. I'm going to see which way they kind of go together. And oh my gosh, those are so cute. Okay, so let me set these down and then show you the rest of my order. Oh my gosh. So there's also the magnets. You can buy the magnets individually or you can buy them in a set of 3 to save some money. So of course I got the set of 3. So this one actually has sand. You can, cause she even asked me, do you want it with sand? Do you want the natural wood? Or do you want it to be like the resin? I was like, I want them to be exactly like the coasters. So these have sand. So you can kind of just see the difference. So this is the resin. This one actually has sand. And then another item I think has the natural wood showing. So then you can see all 3 different finishes. So for the magnets, again, this has the sand. So they have a square, she has a shell shape and a heart. So here are the 3 different styles. Again, you can just buy one, you can buy 3 of this one, 3 of this one, 3 of this one, or you can buy one of each of all 3. Or like I said, or you can just buy them individually. But aren't those super cute? And they have the magnet so you can stick them on your refrigerator, on any magnetic surface, and you can just stick it there. So these are super cute. I was thinking maybe taking one of them to my work. I can put one on my refrigerator, one maybe on my file cabinet. I'm not quite sure, but I just wanted to get all 3. So there's that. Then there was 2 different sizes. She does make state shaped. So this is California state shape. I've seen Texas and a few others. So she basically gets the shape of your state and then puts the beach scene on there. And this one does have the sand. Yeah, that one has the sand in there as well. So this I was just gonna hang somewhere in my bathroom because I am a California girl currently living in a Florida world. So I definitely wanted to represent my California home state. And I always think of the oceans and the beaches when you think of California. Well, I do. So there's that. She does have a bigger one too. There's a bigger one that's a lot more money, or there's this one that was, I think this was 20, and then the bigger one I think was like 75. There's even one shaped like a turtle, ones that's shaped like a crab. There's so many different ones. And then the newest item that I added after the fact, she's like, I'm getting ready to ship. I'm like, can you add something? So let me remove this paper. So this is a glass drinking glass, and they're in several different colors. This one I got in a bright blue. They had a lighter blue, which would be more of a teal, but I just felt like the bright blue would match with this better. They have them in white, lavender, black, I even think yellow. There's so many different colors that you can get. So this little like silicone sleeve around it and the straw would be whatever color that you choose from the set of different colors. And I can't remember offhand how much this is, but I'll show you. And it has the top that you just comes off like that. And this is all glass. And then here is my little beach scene, but this has the actual real wood showing. So on any of my stuff, if you wanted the actual real wood showing for the sand, you could, or you can do the resin, or you can do the sand like this one. So that's the 3 different variations that she has to offer. But isn't that super cute? So now I can use this like as my, probably as like a water, because I need to start drinking more water. Yes, I know. But now I have my beach cup, and nobody's gonna use this one but me. But isn't that super cute? And I do love the fact that there's different colors. But again, I love the ocean. I love blue. Blue's my favorite color. I just had to represent and get my blue. So there's that. So that completes my entire order. So I got the 3 custom 12 by 12 pieces. I got the drinking cup. I got the California state shape, then the 3 magnets. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang this up and I will show you what that looks like. Okay guys, so this is what I'm working with currently. I've had these 3 canvas pictures for several years and it's time for an upgrade. So out with the old and in with the new. So here are all 3 of the new pictures all together on this wall. Oh my gosh, looks so much better, you guys. So you have my lights in there, but there you go. So there's all 3 of my pictures on this wall. And then we have, those are my other pictures. One of those I got from an Oceanista box, and then I ordered the other one from the company and I put them in shadow boxes and I added the shells in there. There is where I hung my California one because I have the dolphin on that side, so that kind of tied in with that side. And then this is what I already had. There's both of those. And yeah, I know you guys wanted to see. This, however, is fake flowers. I used, I repurposed the ribbon that was in my Oceanista to tie everything together. And then 2 different clothing items, one from this box and one from another, had these little beads on the tag. So I repurposed those and put that there too. So there we have it, you guys. There is my bathroom in a nutshell. I know you guys wanted to see everything, so there you have it. Okay, you guys, so that completes my entire order that I placed from WLB Designs. So you guys, comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the items that I purchased? How do you think they look on my wall? I am in love with this. I cannot be happier. Almost every single Oceanista box, I've gotten a hold of one of the companies inside and ordered multiple or an additional item or something like that. I love Oceanista, you guys. Again, if anybody were to ask me, I'm looking for a seasonal box, something that's only 4 times a year, so you can cut down on money so you're not doing it every single month and you're not being bombarded with products. If you were to ask me what's a good subscription for seasonal, Oceanista. I will say that every time. I love that box, you guys. So again, comment down below, let me know what did you think of these items, and yeah, you guys wanted to see, so I did a video to show you guys what I purchased, and I'm super, super happy with how everything came out. I can't be happier. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew, out.